Umpisa na ng offer period ng MerryMart. Are you buying or waiting? On this less than 5-minute video, I'll share to you my take on the MerryMart IPO. I'm sure you've all seen the analysis on MerryMart since last week and are already bombarded with lots of data on its company overview, earnings, use of proceeds, at marami pang iba. We'll make it different sa video na to. May konting company overview lang in case na may iba pa sa inyo na hindi nakakaalam. And we'll focus on 3 important things: the good, the not so good, and the fact. Having said that, let's jump in right away. As a quick overview, MerryMart is a one-stop shop essential retailer. The first 2 branches have been opened noong 2009 and both are owned by the Sia family. Meron silang 3-store format, a full-size MerryMart grocery, MerryMart store, and of course, the upcoming high-end MerryMart market. Although meron silang 7 branches today, the target is to have 100 by the end of 2021, which is very optimistic in my opinion. The good. MerryMart is banking on the fact na in demand ngayon ng mga grocery stores. And true enough, groceries or supermarkets are the least affected ngayong may COVID-19 pandemic. Let's face it, Injap has a knack on brand building, especially pagdating sa franchising at penetration sa highly competitive industries. Mang Inasal, for example, grew 388 stores in just 7 years. Kahit may mga mas sikat na silang competition in the names of Jollibee and McDonald's. Add to the fact na 92% ng mga stores na yon ay franchise pa ha. No wonder, Jollibee bought it from Injap eventually. There's also Double Dragon, which rose from IPO price of 2 pesos per share up to 80 pesos and considered as one of the most successful IPOs sa PSE. History suggests that IPOs with an offer size of about 1.5 billion or less experienced significant demand. Case in point was KepWealth last year. KPPI, who was asked for 384 million lang, debuted at IPO price na 5.74 per share. Umabot siya to more than 25 pesos per share pa nga, di ba? Fruit, who asked for about 1 billion, had a good first day na muntik na rin magsiling until mag-sell off na nga lang sa closing. Also, in 2014, Double Dragon, they asked 1.16 billion sa IPO, then yun, umangat siya from 2 pesos to 80 pesos eventually. The not so good. Based on the announced IPO price na 1 peso per share, MerryMart's PE ratio is at 271.2 times. In perspective, an investor must be willing to buy at 271 times every peso of earnings. It's going to be a significant premium compared sa MRSGI when it did its first IPO back in 2015 at just 21.8 times. Also, kung titingnan natin ang iba pang same line of businesses like Pure Gold is at 20 times PE ratio and RRHI at 25 times PE ratio. Without a doubt, at 1 peso per share, they priced the stock to a really high premium. Sure, least affected ang mga grocery o supermarket sa pandemic. But let's face the fact that this is still a major concern. Even those on the same line of business have been seeing some drop on their stock prices due to market sentiment. Most likely, ito rin. Someone must have the balls to IPO despite this risk. Could Injap be this someone? The fact, all stocks are speculative in nature. IPOs are riskier dahil wala pang track record as a public company. Hence, wala kang makikitang charts. For sure, they'll show you their financial highlight, but those were just history already. We are limited on what the book runner feeds us. Tapos idagdag mo pa yung mga nagmamagaling na analyst na makikita mo sa social media. Parang ako lang, no? Hence, it's very susceptible to hype. Lastly, IPOs are demand-based. Kung marami ang attracted sa company, mas malaki ang potential na aangat ang price nito on its first day. And to be attractive, dito papasok ang future earnings, business model, at marketing efforts ito. So, in summary, no one knows kung aakyat o bababa ang presyo ng isang IPO until they finally happen. We all can just either watch or speculate. Ako, I'd buy some. I like the brand, the management, and pinaka-importante sa lahat, I like IPOs kasi. That's it. Those are my take on this year's first IPO. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.